Here's the truth nobody tells you. Scrolling through your phone isn't laziness, it's a symptom. A symptom that your days are actually boring. Most people think fun is something that happens to you, like a lottery ticket in life. But what if I told you fun can be designed every single day? Not once in a while, not on weekends, every day. Stick with me and I'll show you exactly how to make your days so engaging that your phone might as well be on airplane mode. Think about it. Humans spend an average of 2 hours and 45 minutes a day on social media. That's over 1,000 hours a year just waiting for dopamine hits. But science shows that our brains are craving novelty, challenge, and growth, not mindless scrolling. When your day is genuinely engaging, something amazing happens. Your attention shifts from passive entertainment to active living. You feel energized, present, and yes, you actually enjoy life. And here's the kicker. It's not about being busy. It's about being intentionally alive. The first step is to master microadventures. You wake up, you commute, you sit at a desk. By 4 p.m., your day has passed like a gray blur. Flip that by creating mini adventures. Walk a different route. Try a new coffee place. Call a friend in a city you've never visited. Even tiny changes activate your brain's dopamine system, the same pathway that makes social media addictive, but in a real-world, rewarding way. A study from the University of California found that people who intentionally sought small new experiences each week reported 35% higher life satisfaction. And microadventures are only half the puzzle, because without the next step, your brain still craves an easy dopamine hit. That's where the missing piece comes in. The second step is to gamify your day. Motivation feels like a fleeting spark. You start tasks but never finish them, and when you do, it's underwhelming. Treat your day like a game. Give yourself points, challenges, or small rewards for completing simple tasks. Your brain loves progress bars and feedback loops. Even writing a daily quest list can trick your mind into feeling excitement, curiosity, and satisfaction. Just like a video game, but with real-life rewards. Think of your neural pathways as hiking trails. Each time you complete a task, you pave a new trail. The more fun you build into it, the wider and faster those trails get. Soon, your brain starts craving these trails, not the endless scroll. Behavioral psychologists report that gamification increases motivation by up to 60%, turning mundane tasks into compelling challenges. But here's the thing. Games alone won't sustain you if you don't feel connected. That's where the magic of community comes in. The third step is to inject meaningful social sparks. You check your notifications. Sure, you're interacting, but do you feel alive? Not really. Deep social interactions are like caffeine for your emotional brain. Invite a friend to cook together. Join a group project. Even meaningful conversations with strangers can spike oxytocin, the chemical behind trust, bonding, and genuine joy. Harvard's longitudinal study on adult happiness found that strong social connections consistently outperformed wealth, career, or even health when it came to life satisfaction. Think of social interactions like electricity in your brain's circuits. Without sparks, your neurons lie dormant. With sparks, they light up, making even ordinary moments feel extraordinary. Now, if you combine microadventures, gamification, and social sparks, you might think you're done, but the secret ingredient that ties it all together is counterintuitive. Don't forget to like and subscribe. The fourth step is flow state engineering. Even with adventures, games, and friends, many people feel like something's missing. Life is still just okay. Enter flow. Flow is the state where time disappears, challenges meet skills, and you feel completely immersed. You can engineer it, pick tasks that are slightly outside your comfort zone, remove distractions, and focus in 25 to 45-minute bursts. The result? Days feel fast, fun, and fulfilling. It's like surfing. You don't just float on the water, you ride the wave. Your brain's reward system is now syncing with real achievement, not a scroll. Psychologist Mihaly Csikszentmihalyi, who coined flow, found that people who regularly enter flow report higher happiness, creativity, and productivity. When you combine these pillars, something fascinating happens. Your brain rewires. Microadventures feed novelty, gamification fuels progress, social sparks feed connection, and flow amplifies engagement. Suddenly your day is an ecosystem of dopamine and satisfaction without any phones required. This doesn't just make you happier, it improves learning, memory, and even resilience. Experiences designed with challenge and reward physically change your brain pathways. In other words, you're literally shaping a more fun, attentive, and present brain. So here's your challenge. Tomorrow, pick one micro-adventure, one small game for your tasks, one social spark, and one flow-inducing project. Layer them. Watch your day transform from a blur into something electrifying. Remember, scrolling isn't the enemy, it's a symptom. True fun is something you design. Your brain is ready for it. Now it's up to you to build the days that make your friends ask, "How do you always make life look this fun?" Because the most addictive moments in life aren't on a screen. They're waiting for you in your own brilliantly designed day.